Hey there everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Fruitini, and today I am going to be doing an unbagging. This has been very kindly sent to me by a lady, Sophia, from the Peggybuy store, and she's sent me some diamond paintings to review. So I am gonna get into this, if I can remember where I put my scissors. Now, I have had these paintings for a while, but I've not been able to unbag them properly because I was not feeling that great, as many of you probably already know. So I wasn't feeling too good, so I wasn't able to do my my video. But let's have a look. So we've got 1, 2, 3 kits in this bag. So we'll have a look at the first one. So it's in like a jiffy. I think these might be partials. So they've come nicely packaged. Pretty much like the standard way that they're packaged with the with partials. And I can't actually get that open. It's really stuck fast. Right, hold on a sec. Let me get the scissors in it and hope that we're not going to cut the painting. Okay, we're in. Okay, so this is the first kit. Let's put the back here for a minute. Okay. Oh, so these are partials. Okay, so we got our basic toolkit. We've got a green boat with a small plate of wax and a basic drill pen. Here are the drills. Here are the drills. So I'm not sure if these have got DMCs on them. I think they may have 975 3348 3607. 341153. Yeah, I think these are the DMC codes. And here is the first painting, and this is called The Wings of the Angel, and it's got 12 colours in it, and it is a partial. So I'm just gonna open it up, just flatten it out just a little bit. Okay, so there we go. So there's the first diamond painting. It is a partial, so all we are diamond painting on this one is the actual body of the angel. So her dress, her wings and her hair. All the rest is just a printed image on the canvas. So there are quite a few colours in this, considering the small section that we are actually diamond painting. There is quite a large number of drill colours, I should say. And we just have the plastic cover that's covering up the drill site, and it is nice and sticky. I have noticed that there is a bit of overlap with the glue. So where we're diamond painting on her dress, her arm is actually quite sticky as well, which is where the glue's overlapped. But I suppose it's quite difficult to do, really, isn't it? Like, some overlapping is going to be inevitable, I guess. But there's a little thumbnail there that you should be able to see. There we go. And that is just showing us the actual drill site. So that's just showing us that we diamond paint her hair, her wings and her dress. So there is the canvas. Very pretty. And I think the drills, right, there's 12 colours, and they are DMCs, if you can see that. Are you going to focus, camera? I think it's probably because they're in the plastic wallet. Let's take them out of the wallet and have a look. If I can find my way in. Okay, right, let's see if I can. Ooh, that just jumped out at me. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. and that says 0 on it, and it's an empty bag. Okay, so there are the drills. They do look to be in good condition. So 153 there, I think, is the DMC. Then we got some nice blue, which is 341. A bit of a rogue bead there. 3 is 519, which is a nice pale blue, almost like a turquoise. 4 is 975. That's like a brown. A light green, which is 3348. Then we have 3607, which is a pink. 3608, another pink. 3609, another lighter shade of pink, and so on and so on and so on. So yeah, 5200, so that is definitely the DMC codes. So everything is all there for this one, and we even have a bonus empty bag with DMC code 0 on it. Okay, so there's the first one. So I'll just quickly show you again. There's the image, there's the canvas, the wings of the angel, and it's product number 7190. I will put a link to these in the description below. So if you want to go and check out the store for yourselves, then the links will be there for you. So there is the first one. I'm going to put that back in its bag so we don't get them all mixed up. I've no idea what these paintings are, by the way. I was shown briefly what one of the images were, and it was actually this one, but I don't know what these others are. So let's open up number 2. I think I'm going to have to get the scissors again because these are really stuck down well. Let's hope that I'm not going to go through the canvas. I feel like I'm getting a bit of resistance there on the plastic. Okay, right. Ooh, this one looks nice. So this is the second one. It came in the white jiffy. It's in a plastic bag. If I can find my way in. I'm not doing very well today. Okay, so here is the second painting. And it is, oh, this is pretty. Oh, I like this, guys. This is pretty. This is a 30 by 30. It's a partial, and it looks like a spring scene. Like, I don't know what the actual name for this is, but it looks like one of the seasons. I think so. I think this one is either summer or spring. I'm thinking because of the colours, we're looking at spring. But there's 10 colours in this, and I'm not sure, but there may be some AB gems or some special gems. If you look at the key code down the side, I think there may be some special gems in this one. So that is super pretty. I do like that one. It is a partial, and it is sticky. So the only area that we are diamond painting on this one is the actual tree itself. So we've got the trunk, we've got the leaves. This isn't diamond painted, this part here, but neither is the butterflies and all the little swirly bits, but the rest of the tree is all diamond painted, so that's really pretty. Oh wow, I've just seen the drills. Okay, so we've got a green boat with a piece of wax. I'm having difficulty with words today. A pink pen and some plastic tweezers. And here are the drills. Oh wow, these are pretty. I do like this one. This one is super nice. Again, I will put the link to the description in the I will put the link to the painting in the description. Oh my god, anybody think I was drunk, but I'm not. So there are the drills. These are super pretty. I am really happy with these. These are lovely. Which way are we? There we go. Okay, so we've got some nice silver, if you can see that. We've got like a red, a pink. I think these are just normal 310s possibly. There's no DMCs on these. And we got some more silver gems and some more purple. Here we have some more like teardrop shaped gems. Very pretty. This reminds me of a bit like the was it the cat that I ordered, that partial? It was quite a big partial though, but I'm sure that had similar kind of diamonds in it. And we've got some pink, slightly bigger pink teardrop shaped gems. These are super sparkly. And we have some round gold shaped gems. And there's some silver blue. It's like a bluey silver. It's difficult to tell in this light. Some more teardrop shaped gems. That is super pretty. I'm really looking forward to doing that one. So that definitely has a thumbs up from me. You just put the drills back in the bag. Sorry for all the crinkling, guys. Okay, so there's the drills back in the bag. There's the toolkit. And there is the image again. And it's a 30 by 30 centimetre tree. Right, I'm pretty sure that's not going to go in that bag, so I'm just going to put it back in here. There we go. And I can throw that away because that is not going to go back in that bag. I can assure you of that. Right, so third and final painting. Again, I have no idea what this is. So let's get the toolkit out first. So again, green boat, a sheet of wax and a basic pink pen. And this one is, now this is a full drill. Oh wow. This is Sunrise. And this is a full drill diamond painting. I don't know what size this is. I'm thinking possibly a 30 by 30 canvas size. Image size I'm not sure about. But there's 14 colours. Symbols are all nice and clear. If I peel back a bit of the cover sheet so you can have a look. So there's the drill site. Nice and clear symbols. Very sticky. This looks like it will be like a nice fun one to do when you want to break from the big ginormous paintings. This one looks like it will be this will be super nice to do as an in-between diamond painting, in-between project painting. So this is product name Sunrise and the number is 0080 and there's 14 colours. So let's have a quick look at the drills. I believe, no, these don't have DMCs either, which is fine, but I'm not going to take these out of the bag, but there's, hopefully I can get the camera to focus enough so you can see that the drills are in good quality. They seem to be in good quality. And they look very good. So there we go. There's our 3 diamond paintings sent to us by Sophia from the Peggybuy. yeah, these are going to be fun. I really do. I mean, I like all three of them, don't get me wrong, but I really like the middle one, the one with the tree, and this one as well, personally, because it's a full drill, and I do like doing full drill diamond paintings, but all three of them are very pretty, and I'm looking forward to working on all three of them. So yeah, I will put the link to the paintings in the description box below. Please do give the store a visit if you would like to check them out. If you've not purchased a painting from Peggybuy store before, please do give them a check them out. That pretty much concludes this video, so I hope you have enjoyed it. If you have, please do give it a thumbs up. I have an issue with words today for some reason, I don't know why, but hopefully that hasn't spoilt your enjoyment of the video. So thank you guys so much for watching. Have an awesome day, happy diamond painting, and I shall see you all next time. Take care guys, bye.